I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves paradiddles and what I call shuffle diddles, but other people call them shuffle step heels or quadruples or all kinds of stuff. But I call them shuffle diddles because they have the same ending as a paradiddle, but you have a shuffle instead of a dig spank. So it's just easier to say paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle diddle, paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle diddle, stamp. You know what I mean? And I just gave away the first part of the exercise. So this is good for all levels. It depends on what tempo you take it at. We're going to do a couple of different tempos today, and let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you are not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so this has patterns. We start with two distinct patterns. The first one is 2 paradiddles, 2 shuffle diddles, 2 paradiddles, 1 shuffle diddle stamp. So it's 2, 2, 2, 1 stamp. It should be 2, 2, 2, 2, but we had to end it, so it's 1 and a stamp at the end. So 2 paradiddles. You have 1, 2, then 2 shuffle step heels. Shuffle step heel, shuffle step heel. 2 more paradiddles. 1 shuffle diddle and a stamp. So you want to feel like this is going front, front, side, side, front, front, side, stamp. That's kind of the idea. So let's try that together. Paradiddle, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. Yes? I know that we definitely could have gone into another shuffle diddle, but I really like the stamp at the end. That's just what I wanted to do with the exercise. If you want to change it, you do you. All right, one more time. Paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, step, heel, paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. That's the pattern. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shuffle, step, heel, step, hold 8. Good. Okay, that's part 1. Part 2. Single paradiddle. Double paradiddle, single paradiddle, triple paradiddle stamp. Now just remember that. I'm not going over it, I'm just kidding, I'm kidding. I do that to my students all the time. I'll like say the whole phrase, be like, okay, go ahead. They're like, what? And I'm like, no, I'm kidding. So we have regular paradiddle, dig, spank, step, heel. Then you have 2 double paradiddles, one on the left, one on the right. Double, double, and then a single on the left. So it's single, double, double, single to start. Single, double, double, single. Remember, a double paradiddle is just an extra dig spank before the rest of the paradiddle. So just 2 dig spanks. So it's single, then double, one more single. So single, double, double, single. And then you end it with a triple stamp. Triple is the same thing. It's just 2 extra dig spanks. Then a paradiddle. Dig spank, dig spank, dig spank. So the single, double, and triple basically says how many dig spanks you do. On the single, you do 1. On the double, you do 2. On the triple, you do 3. So this is single, double, double, single. End it with a triple stamp. Single, double, double, single, triple stamp. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double, double, single, triple, stamp, hold 8. So let me count that for you this time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. That is really hard to count and do at the same time because I'm going single, double, single in my head, but in my mouth I'm going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's very, very difficult. So let's do that one more time and then we'll add it to the first part. Ready? One more time, just that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Awesome. Okay, let's go first part and second part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Paradiddle, 2. Shuffle, step, heel, paradiddle, 2. Shuffle, step, heel, step. Next part. Paradiddle, Okay, so that's part 1 and part 2. The good news about the next 2 parts, because there are 2 more parts, is that you sort of already know them. You're just going to take each of those and sort of flip them. So let's go back to the first one. We had paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, step, heel, paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle, step, heel, stamp. So you're just going to flip all of that. You're going to start with shuffle, step, heels. Then the next part's paradiddles. Then it's shuffle, step, heels. Then it's paradiddle, stamps. You're just doing the opposite of what you did. So while we started with paradiddles before, we're starting with shuffle, step, heels now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and paradiddle, stamp. So it's literally just the exact opposite of what you did before. So let's try that together. 2 shuffle, step, heels, 2 paradiddles, 2 shuffle, step, heels, 1 paradiddle, and a stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Good. Okay, 4th part. Same thing that we did with the second, but you're flipping it. So instead of going single, double, double, single, you're going double, single, single, double. And then the rest is the triple and then the stamp. So the ending part, that stamp or the triple stamp, it doesn't change. You're just going, instead of single, double, double, single, you're going double, single, single, double. It's the only change. So let's try that together. So double, single, single, double, and then a triple stamp. Try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Right? All right, let's do that one more time. Also, I'm sorry. My cat T'Challa has decided it's time to just scream at the top of his lungs. So if you hear a cat meowing, it's just him being crazy, but we love him. All right, ready? So double, single, single, double, then triple stamp. 5, 6, 7, 8, double, single, single, double, triple, stamp. Good. All right, let's try the whole thing, and then we'll try it with music. So the first part is paradiddles, shuffle diddles, paradiddles, shuffle diddle, stamp. Second part is single, double, double, single, triple stamp. Third part is shuffle diddles, then paradiddles, then shuffle diddles, then paradiddle stamp. So it's the opposite. Fourth part is double, single, single, double, triple stamp. All right, let's give it a shot. Ready? Let's go a little faster. 5E and a 6E and a 7 and a 8. 1, 2, shuffle. 7, 8. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a 6E and a 7 and a 8. Shuffles. Paradiddle, paradiddle, shuffle. Paradiddle, stamp. Now double. 1, 2, 3, single, single, double, triple, stamp. Not bad. Of course, I changed it up on you and said, let's go a little faster. You're like, wait, wait a minute. All right, so I don't remember how fast the song is, but I know that I can change the tempo of it. So let's try it at its tempo where I have it, and then we'll see if we need to take it slower or faster. Let's give it a shot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anybody catch me hesitating on that last single? The music changed and I was like, what? And then I was like, wait, it's a single. All right, so obviously that was not my best run. Maybe it wasn't your best run either. Let's give that another try. I'll count us in a little bit earlier so the music stays where it should be. And I think that's a good tempo for right now. Let's try it again. I I used to take out my mistakes. I used to like edit out my mistakes, but I feel like this one was such a common mistake that maybe we all did that. Maybe we all hesitated on a single. So I definitely want to leave that in there because sometimes when the teacher messes up, it is such a good learning moment for everyone. So yeah, I messed up. Let's do it again. But yeah, I think this tempo is actually really, really great. So just keep it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just nice and even. Ready? Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just a tiny bit faster. Do you want me to make you even more upset? Do you want to try it on the left? Maybe? Do we want to try it on the left? Let's try it faster first. That's not that bad. It's only a little bit faster. All right, let's give it a shot. Right side. A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do starting on the left foot. At that tempo, starting on the left foot. We got this. We got this. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was like, let's go faster. Let's go on the left. That is when my students don't like me. But hopefully you had a lot of fun with this exercise. I think it's such a great exercise. I think it's a good brain teaser. And I also think it's just really good for working on articulation of double and single paradiddles. It's also really good for pattern recognition and pattern practice. Such a good exercise. If you're a dance teacher and you're looking for an exercise to bring to your class, bring this one. It's so good. I definitely warm up with stuff like this before a show, before a class. I'm in the studio and I'm just warming up. And that was like a totally different pattern than one that we just did, but it's fine. But I love practicing with different patterns, different accents, and warming up the ankles. I think it's such a good thing to do in class and before a show. So I'm happy to share an exercise like this with you guys. I had a lot of fun teaching it to you. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials, so if you need to work on like double and triple paradiddles, I think I have a video on that where you can just learn like a step. Playlist is down below, as always. And I've got choreography tutorials where you can learn like a combination to a song. It's super fun. And I've got challenges and vlogs, and I'm trying some new vlogs lately, which is very interesting. So let me know how you like those. But yeah, we've got all kinds of free tap dance content for you guys. This is your free tap dance class, and I'm so happy to be your tap dance teacher on the internet. But yeah, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up button because it tells YouTube people like tap dance, and we want YouTube to know that. So thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.